want to do the unrecognizable makeup trend. As I'm doing my makeup, the first 10 minutes just like got completely discarded, so that's fun. I was doing my under eyes, so that's where I guess this video is going to start. The last time that I did my makeup like this was in high school, and I'm 25, so I don't really know how well this is going to go. I look kind of dead, kind of pale, kind of ghostly, kind of slay. It's fine. I just put setting spray on my face, and I'm going in with a translucent powder, but before I go ahead and do that, I want to show you guys the products that I used so far. I used Smashbox Radiance Photo Finisher as a primer, and then Almay's Make It Myself Clear Foundation in the color Ivory. Also from Almay, their salicylic acid concealer. I use this liquid blush from Dollar Tree, and then Maybelline's Age Rewind for under my eyes. This is how it's looking so far. So far, I feel pretty good about it though. I actually like how it looks. We're gonna go in with this translucent powder. Does anyone else close their eyes and just kind of like hope for the best? So that's what I do. Okay, not bad, not bad, not bad, right? Yeah, okay. Honestly, I'm gonna leave my eyebrows alone because I don't like doing anything to my eyebrows. Now that I've got everything taken care of on the face, I'm gonna go in again with the spray because I just wanna make sure that it's really like locked in. Whew. This is where the real part of the unrecognizable makeup trend comes in. I find that a lot of people focus on their eyes, so that's what we're gonna be doing. I'm thinking of using this little palette by Hard Candy. I'm gonna start off by going in with Maybelline's Tattoo Studio eyeliner. Okay, period. I'm feeling pretty good about that actually. I think I wanna like kind of smoke it out a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with this eyeliner brushy brush, like just to, you know, smoke it out a bit. Okay, okay. Now I'm gonna go in with the eyeshadows with a like a corner brush. We're going in with this color here. I'm gonna get another brush to blend this out a little bit better. Okay, now the other eye. I feel like I laid it on a little bit thick there. I'll blend it out. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this highlighter and put it on my eyes. Just gonna get some of that. We're gonna tap it on. We're gonna do the other eye. I feel like this eye needs more smokage because you see, yeah. I don't know if that was the right thing to do. I think it's fine. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this very broken eyeshadow and I'm gonna put it on the inner corner of my eyes to like make them pop. Like that, yeah. Very, very pop. Okay, this is looking pretty good. I just don't like this like under eye thing going on. I'm gonna try to use the sponge to like get rid of it. Oh, that worked. Great. I'm gonna go in with this eyeliner now. It's the Revlon Color Stay. Now that I've tight lined my waterline, going in with an eyeliner. And I'm gonna go in with a Wet n Wild, and it's their breakup proof eyeliner. This is the scary part, so you're gonna have to like follow me here. Like that. This is eating, in my opinion. Yeah, my newest favorite mascara has to be Firework by Maybelline. I don't know what it is, but like, I'm hoping that the actual thing, like the actual product is as good as the sample product, because I've heard conspiracy theories that the sample products are better than the actual product to get you to buy the actual product. So Maybelline, your shit better hold up. Because the sample's fantastic. We're gonna go and put that on right now, actually. Oh yeah, you see that? Look at the lashes. Girl, I don't even need falsies. We're gonna do the other eye. I'm so sad that I didn't get to film the process of me applying the blush to my face because that was so satisfying. But TikTok is weird. Whenever I film, it just randomly deletes it for some reason. I don't know what that's about, and it sucks because the camera on TikTok is so much... Oh, I know you see that. No, it's okay. The camera on TikTok is just infinitely better for some reason. I don't know. It's like very widely known though. I can't get these lashes at the end to like separate. Okay. Oh, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I'm scared. Now that this is looking like this, the last thing is a lip. So we're going to figure that out. I'm thinking like a warm color, like this. Also, fun fact, I don't have lip liners. I just don't use them. I think I'm gonna go in with this color. Oh yeah, that feels right. This was the right color. This was the right color. It's by Tarte. It's their tarot. Does that say tarot? I don't know. Okay. I just need to get this little like schmutz off my face and that'll be it. This is by Tarte. I've had this again since high school. Most of this makeup I've had since high school, and the fact that all of it holds up as well as it does is just so impressive to me. Now this comes down to the last part, which is the hair and the outfit, which I feel is also the easiest part for me because I don't really like doing my hair in this like big crazy style. Honestly, I was thinking of just throwing on a wig, so we're gonna go figure this out. Okay, so I just took my hair out of the braid that it was in. I think this is the power of makeup, man. It emphasizes everything. And it just looks really, really good and it makes you look really cool and like, I'm serving cunt. I feel hot right now. So now I'm gonna do a quick little outfit change. Here's the look and here's the face.